and welcome to our channel, Nora the Explorer. And today we are going to check out the package we received from Amazon. And looks like we got a camera. Let's set the box aside here, take the camera out. Let's see what's inside. So first off, we got a microphone to speak louder. Then we have a USB. Then we have a charger for the camera. And this is a part of the charger so that you could just plug it in to the plug. We have the battery so that it could turn on. We have the remote so that it could turn on and off the camera. And last of all, we've got the camera. Let's take it out from its case. So first off, we got the cover for the LED so that it could just protect it for this part of the camera. And this is where you open it so that you could see them. And make sure it's straight so that you could see them properly. And this button on top, I think it's so that you could take a picture. It looks like you could record it back here. Looks like there's it says there would be some Wi-Fi. There's an up button, down button, the mode, menu, and the power. And then you could just close them up reverse. For example, when you open it, that's the opposite of closing it. And if you close it, then that's the opposite of opening it. So I would say this camera is pretty cool. I'll say I like the case because it's super soft and very good texture. So I guess that's all for this video. And this is the picture for this camera. It's just the same model as the camera in this case. So it is called the 4K Ultra HD. And it looks like you could also do it with night shot. And it could go on digital camera and video camera. Bye guys. See you in the next video.